Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all the wheels off and clean them out really good. And you have to jack it up right under, right in the axle here in front of the sway bar. And so what I'm gonna do is take the frame, or jack it up on the frame using the jack here, and then use this jack stand and put underneath the axle there, and then lower it back down. That way just the one tire is up. Alright guys, so I got the first tire off here. So you can see it's quite dirty. So I'm gonna use the some purple powder, same brush I use in the tires, and then this other brush here, and some steel wool if it's stubborn. Alright guys, so I sprayed it and then I scrubbed it down with the blue brush there, and now I'm gonna rinse it. Only a little bit came off, so I'll have to scrub it again, but you can see how dirty it really is though. Alright, so the steel wool wasn't even enough to get all this off. So then I moved up to some steel brushes here, but they didn't seem to cut through everything still. So I think this is good enough for the rim. I mean, it's a ton better than it was before. And now I can clean the front side. Well, I guess I already cleaned the front sides, but just give them a quick wipe down, I guess, and then draw off the tire, and then I can do that on the rest of them, and that'll be it. Alright guys, so now that I got the rim all clean, I'm taking just a flat blade screwdriver and looking at the tread here, just removing any little rocks in the tread, like that one. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It takes like maybe 30 seconds per tire, and you know, makes them look nicer. And it's not good for the tread just to have rocks like that sitting in it.
Perfect.